Bow windows are a beautiful addition to Covington homes, offering graceful curves, expanded views, and an abundance of natural light. But beyond their visual appeal, bow windows can play a major role in improving everyday comfort, especially in Covington's warm, humid climate with seasonal temperature changes. Because bow windows involve multiple panels and extend outward from the home, professional installation is essential to ensure they perform as intended. Here's how expert bow window installation significantly improves comfort in Covington homes. Airtight sealing prevents heat and humidity intrusion. Covington homeowners are well aware of how quickly heat and humidity can make indoor spaces uncomfortable. Poorly installed bow windows often develop small gaps that allow hot, moist air to seep inside. Professional installers measure openings precisely, align each window panel correctly, apply high-quality insulation and weather-stripping seal joints to prevent air and moisture leaks. This airtight sealing keeps indoor temperatures stable and helps maintain a comfortable living environment year-round. Improved energy efficiency keeps rooms consistently comfortable. Bow windows include multiple glass panels, which can become energy loss points if not installed properly. Professional installation ensures that insulated glass units and energy-efficient coatings perform effectively. Expert installation ensures proper compression of seals around each panel, correct alignment of frames to reduce heat transfer, full insulation around the entire window structure. As a result, Covington homeowners experience cooler interiors during summer and improved warmth during cooler months, without excessive energy use. Balanced natural light without overheating. One of the biggest advantages of bow windows is their ability to bring in natural light from multiple angles. However, improper installation can allow excess solar heat to enter the home. Professional installers position and seal bow windows to maximize daylight while minimizing heat gain, prevent sunlight from overheating living spaces, maintain comfortable indoor temperatures. This balance allows homeowners to enjoy bright rooms without relying heavily on air conditioning. Structural support enhances long-term comfort. Because bow windows extend outward, they require strong structural support. Improper installation can lead to sagging, shifting, or stress on the surrounding walls, causing drafts and operational issues. Professional installation includes reinforced framing where necessary, proper support brackets or load-bearing systems, even weight distribution across window panels. This structural integrity ensures the bow window remains secure, sealed, and comfortable over time. Improved noise reduction for a quieter home. Gaps and poor sealing are common causes of noise intrusion. Professionally installed bow windows reduce outside noise by eliminating these weak points. With expert installation, seals block sound carrying air leaks. Multi-pane glass reduces noise transmission. Interior spaces feel calmer and more peaceful. This is especially beneficial in active Covington neighborhoods. Smooth operation of venting panels enhances airflow control. Many bow windows include operable side panels to improve ventilation. Professional installation ensures these panels function smoothly and seal tightly when closed. Homeowners benefit from easy-to-operate windows, controlled ventilation during mild weather, no loss of efficiency when windows are closed. This gives Covington homeowners better control over airflow and comfort. Moisture protection prevents indoor discomfort. Humidity and rain are common in Covington, making moisture control essential. Professional installation includes proper flashing and sealing to prevent water intrusion. This helps keep indoor air dry and comfortable, prevent condensation buildup, protect walls, trim, and flooring. Effective moisture protection supports healthier indoor environments. Long-term comfort and peace of mind. Professional bow window installation ensures homeowners enjoy lasting comfort, not ongoing problems. Benefits include reduced maintenance needs, reliable performance through seasonal changes, increased home value and appeal. Comfort starts with expert installation. Bow windows can dramatically enhance comfort in Covington homes, but only when installed correctly. Professional installation ensures airtight seals, proper structural support, balanced light control, and long-term energy efficiency. For Covington homeowners looking to enjoy brighter spaces, improved airflow, and consistent comfort, professional bow window installation is the key to making this elegant upgrade truly worthwhile.